Pennsylvania has a lot of these covered bridges. They're pretty cool. Now they originally built back with horse and buggies, and you know, when it started to rain, you would go into these bridges to stay dry. And there's a lot that are still working, like this one. You can actually drive your car across that. It's pretty cool. Joel saw a pretty big snake. Is that it right there?
Where? I don't see it.
So if you look at this rock.
Oh, I see. No, that's not it. It was like this thick.
This is just a little one.
It was at least this thick.
Today, we're at the covered bridge, and we're gonna catch some crayfish.
Let's go.
Crayfish.
2 buckets. Let's take them home. We didn't bring a big bucket to bring them home, so Joel and Grandma have to kind of balance their buckets and make sure they don't spill away.
We have the corn on the top and crayfish on the bottom, and they are finished. Voila! And then the crayfish.
Joel's crayfish entree is complete. Looks pretty good.
That'll be $19.99.
Stuff you remove it. Some people eat the guts, it's called mustard.
You dip it in butter. It tastes just like lobster. Pennsylvania lobster. Anytime you eat shellfish like this, you often wonder if it takes more calories to get into it than you get out of it.
And for dessert, we have blueberry delights.
These are some blueberries picked in Grandma and Grandpa's yard.
And then on the bottom, crushed up walnuts, make into a crust. And then blueberries, and then we have cream cheese and Cool Whip on the top.
Summer is already half over.
Summer sure flies.
Local is the best kind of food. It's finger licking good.